Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, then hi, my name is Payal, and if you're an old subscriber, then thanks a lot for sticking by. Now coming towards this video is basically for the people who have acne, who have oily skin, who've burst into acne here and there. So I would say that you have logged on a right video. Here I'll be sharing 3 face masks which are great for oily / acne / pimple skin people, and these are from a single brand. Now the brand which I'm talking about is a latest launch, which is Clovia Botaniqa. Now Clovia is known for their lingerie and I own quite of them, and even the nightwears are very comfortable. They have various sizes, and when it comes to lingerie, let me tell you, I got this, girl, so I need something which really supports, and the bra collection is really nice. Then recently I got to know that Clovia has come up with their skincare range, which states as Clovia Botaniqa, and they have quite few products which you can pick as per your skin concern. The moment I got to know, I was like, I need to try this because I usually have this lot of acne issue, and moreover it, I got to know that they are 100% Ayurvedic. They don't have any toxic, no sulfate, no paraben, everything is natural, they are vegan. I was like, come on girl, you need to try this. So I hop onto their website, and I was like, it's been a while that I have not suggested good face mask for oily or acne skin people, so let me just order them the ones which they have, and I'll just review. And I must say that I was quite impressed with the product. So without further ado, we'll start with the review. Before starting with the review itself, I would like to again state that, as I said previously, that the products are made from natural products, and they are Ayurvedic, vegan. Their products contains essential oils. They don't have any kind of sulfate, paraben, toxin or harmful chemicals in their product, and they are, I would say, that are very affordable, but yet the brand was very nice. They have provided me with a coupon code. I'll just put it over here so that you get 10% off on their app. Now let's just start with the very first product, which is a face mask, which is anti-acne face mask, which contains multani mitti, vitamin C, E, B5, B2. So this face mask is actually for $3.99, which is very affordable. But as I said, मैंने ना तीनों का एक पैक भी आता है, उसका भी मैं लिंक दे दूंगी. जो तीनों एक साथ आते हैं, मैं उसका भी लिंक दे दूंगी और इंडिविजुअल लिंक्स भी दे दूंगी, so that you can buy. Now the very first thing which if you notice, as the ingredient states, it has fuller earth, which is actually known to unclog your pores. It has vitamin C, which enhances your skin glow. It has vitamin E, which protects your skin, vitamin B5, which hydrates your skin, and vitamin B2, which heals your skin. So that means सब कुछ इसके अंदर है when it comes to acne skin. Now once you open, like I'll talk about my experience with this product. The moment you'll open it, the smell is very prominent. जैसे आप अपनी skin पे लगाओगे या फिर even खोलोगे ना, so the smell is very prominent, and it is actually a combination of a tea tree oil and clove oil. तो वो मैंने पहले ही notice किया, and that is the ingredient which is mentioned also, like top 3 में. And one more thing, once you apply this onto your face now, what you notice that this is little thick in texture. That could be because of the multani mitti. Brush से लगाने वाले हो ना, तो brush को अच्छे से गीला कर लो and then dip it into this and apply it onto your face. How I like to use this product is that, मतलब in case of all the face packs, how I like to use, I would say that मैं mostly रात में लगाना पसंद करती हूँ. Once I'm done with my whole routine, I clean my face with a lukewarm water so that my pores gets open. Face wash use करने के बाद I apply this face mask onto my face, let it get dry. It usually takes, the best thing about the face mask is that वो 10 to 15 minutes में ना dry हो जाता है. So I let it get dry, and once it's dry, I take a towel. In my case, I usually like to take a facial sponge जो easily Amazon पे मिल जाता है. I like to wet it up and मैं अपने face को clean कर लेती हूँ. उसके बाद normal water. Don't use any face wash. आपने उसको क्लीन करने के लिए नॉर्मल वाटर से क्लीन किया, टाल ड्राई करो और अपना नाइट स्किन रेजिम फॉलो करो, लाइक योर सीरम और वट एवर यू लाइक टू अप्लाई, योर नाइट क्रीम एंड ऑल दैट. इट स्टेट्स दैट यू कैन यूज दिस फेस मास्क once in a week or like twice in a week, but what I like to do is that मेरा एक्ने अगर बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट है तो मैं ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे लगाती हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट नहीं एवरी डे लगाती हूँ, बट अगर कम हो गए हैं तो ऑल्टरनेटिव डेज लगाती हूँ. लाइक एक दिन मैंने एंटी एक्ने लगा लिया तो नेक्स्ट दिन मैंने दूसरा वाला लगा लिया, फिर उसके बाद मैंने दूसरा लगा लिया, ऐसे करती हूँ. ठीक है. नाउ this was about anti-acne face mask. Now let's just hop into the second one, which is matcha green tea. Now matcha green tea face masks are really trending right now, and which I have used the Body Shop one, but let me tell you, it's damn expensive. And the moment I saw that they have, I was like, yeah, I need to get this because ये affordable भी है, because it's only for 499 rupees, and मुझे सच में matcha tea try करना था. Now it states that it is meant for deep hydration. So what usually happens is that एज एन ऑयली स्किन पीपल ना, हम लोग काफ़ी बार हाइड्रेशन वाला पार्ट ना मिस कर जाते हैं अपने लाइफ में. हम हर चीज़ें वो चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारी स्किन को ड्राई बना दी, बिकॉज हम मुल्तानी मिट्टी और ये सब चीज़ें काफ़ी यूज़ करने लगते हैं, जिससे हमारी स्किन बहुत ड्राई होने लगती है. हाइड्रेशन इज नीडेड गाइज, रिमेंबर दैट. सो सिंस इट हैज़ अ matcha टी, इट हैज़ अ एलोवेरा एंड सीवीड, दैट मीन्स इट्स ग्रेट फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल, बिकॉज एलोवेरा जेल है, दैट मीन्स यू वोंट स्किन फील ऑयली, एंड सीवीड है विच इज़ बेसिकली, मैंने पॉइंट लिखा था, एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टी होती है, एंड इट इवन हेल्प्स यू विद ऑयली स्किन एंड ऑल दैट. आई लाइक दिस. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू नोटिस द मोमेंट यू अप्लाई इट इज माई एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट, इट इज़ लिटिल creamy as compared to the previous mask. वो बहुत creamy नहीं था. This is really creamy. And the second thing which I felt like, मैंने काफ़ी इसको यूज़ भी किया, आप देखेंगे, is that एक तो बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग फ्रेग्रेंस है, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी वो चीज़. और सेकेंडली मैंने क्या नोटिस किया ना इसके अंदर, कि जैसे आप अपने चेहरे पे लगाते हैं ना, आपकी स्किन बहुत ही कूल फील करती है, ठंडी फील करती है. जैसे आप योर स्किन इज फीलिंग वेरी बर्निंग सेंसेशन, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है ना, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यूजिंग दिस मास्क, बिकॉज बहुत ठंडा, द मोमेंट यू अप्लाई इट, आपको इंस्टेंटली फील होगा कि आपकी स्किन को ठंडा लग रहा है, विच इज़ रियली नाइस, एंड इट रियली हाइड्रेट्स. सो वंस यू क्लीन योर फेस ना, आपको वो भी नहीं लगेगा कि आपकी स्किन एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई हो गई, नहीं, बिकॉज बहुत मॉइस्चराइज फील करेगी बिकॉज ऑफ एलोवेरा. सो अगेन आई लव दिस फेस मास्क. एंड थर्ड वन विच इज पिंक क्ले. नाउ पिंक क्ले मास्क इज ट्रेंडिंग अ लॉट. मैंने एक प्रोलेक्सा का भी किया था रिव्यू, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है ये. सो this is known for instant brightness. It has a seaweed and pomegranate. Now talking about the ingredient of this product, it has Himalayan clay, which is known to cleanse your pores and soothes your skin. Now it has Australian clay, which is known for detoxifying your skin, and it shrinks your pores ka appearance. And it has a seaweed again, which is known for its anti-inflammatory property, and it has a pomegranate, which basically, pomegranate matlab apna anar, which basically tones and firms the skin cells. And the moment you will apply this, ek to ye iski consistency again is creamy, not as thick as the first one, the anti-acne wala, and it has a very pleasing fragrance which I absolutely love, and it has a very beautiful color which like pink है बाव बस, तो मुझे तो पसंद आएगा. It's really smells like मिट्टी, which I like the fragrance of गीली मिट्टी, let me be very frank. And मैं इवन ढूंढ भी रही हूँ कुछ ऐसा परफ्यूम में जिसमें गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. अगर आपको कोई पता है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Yes, as I was saying, the moment you apply it, आप बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है बिकॉज इसमें क्ले है, बट द मोमेंट यू रिमूव इट, यू विल सी दैट योर स्किन actually looks brightened. Guys, today I'm not wearing makeup, it's just a gloss and a little bit of mascara, nothing base, just my moisturizer, because I wanted to show you that this is how my skin looks. Even I'm rocking my natural hair today. Guys, I would suggest कि आप तीनों try करके देखो. मैं ऐसा बोलूँगी, but in case you are just interested in buying one, all the links are there in description box. Plus the brand is providing me with 10% discount code, तो आप please वो use करके try करके देखो, because I have seen a lot of difference. And since we are wearing मास्क वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली, अभी हम जब भी बाहर जाए तो मास्क पहने, तो मैं काफ़ी बार एक्ने इश्यूज़ भी हो रहे हैं. आप ये ट्राई करके देखो, बिकॉज आई एम डैम श्योर दैट यू विल सी अ रिजल्ट, डैम श्योर. दैट्स इट फॉर माई वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक द शॉर्ट रिव्यू, और आई शुड रादर से द लॉन्ग रिव्यू. आई एक्चुअली wanted it to make it very informative. Let me tell you very frankly, in case you are having an acne issue, please try to implement face mask in your regime. It is needed. It really helps you. हम सोचते हैं क्या करेगा काम, but it actually works. I have seen a difference. That's the reason I've made many videos where I talk about my favorite face masks when it comes to acne or pimple skin type. And in case you're ordering this and आपने अप्लाई किया, और just share your experience in the comment section. And if you're not following me on my social media pages, then what are you doing? Go and just follow me there. My social media links will be in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? You just have to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I'll upload a video. Hop to their Clovia का website, app, whatever you have, shop करो, मुझे अपना experience बताओ, and that's it. At the last I'll say take care and stay pretty.